All right, so here is a little cold start of the DM Maniac. I think that's what this thing is called. Zero experience with these, but I did buy it from the owner of a Britain and an RC30, which I sold on Bring a Trailer, so I'm thinking it must be pretty good. It's got a lot of nice, cool Italian components on it, and I think these were like 3,500 euros, if I recall, when they were new. So we got cold pipe down there. Fuel is on. Choke is, I believe, off where I think it likes to start. So try this.